What do you got there, Paul?
Pretzel salt. Lots of it.
Lots of pretzel salt. What are you gonna do with this pretzel salt?
Gonna drink it.
And then you're gonna snort a line too, right?
Line of fire right there.
Mm-hmm.
Burning ring of fire.
Do it up. Got your nice
$1 bill.
dollar bill, y'all. All right.
I'm going for the drink, then the snort.
All right.
At the same time.
Do it up. For glory. All of it. All of it. Get it all. Do the snort.
Oh my god.
Go for gold. Get down in there. Get in there, dude. Deep. Ow. Snort some of that. Get going. Get it deep. Put it in the salt. Mm-hmm. Do you want a straw?
Mm-mm.
Do you want a spoonful of cinnamon to relieve the pain?
Mm-mm.
You don't?
My nose is getting full. Yum.
A little bit of that.
Ah. Yeah.
I'm craving a spoonful of cinnamon if you are.
I think I'm done.
You ready? You're not even in there. Get deep.
My nose is fucking cold now.
Need a little help with that?
Nick Schaefer, Snorting Pro.
Holy shit, dude.
It fucking burns.
Ow! Go.
Dude, it fucking burns.
Finished. Holy God.
Kid's crying.